Hello everyone, Eddie here with Insane Hobbies and RCs, and today we got a really cool product for you. This is a brand new, when I say brand new, this just came out. This is from Progressive RCs. It's a Recon Strike 350 watt combo, and the really cool thing about it is it's a portable charging station. You can take this thing anywhere. All right, let me see what we got in here. We got the IDST Q6 Plus charger, and that's a 14 amp charger. It also has a Meanwell LRS 350 watt 12 volt power supply, which that makes it really handy for charging from generators, you know, basically anything AC. But the really cool thing about it is you can also use this charger to charge from a DC supply. Check this out, guys. If you're in the field and you want to charge a couple, drone packs, or, you plug into here with your DC. This could be off a car battery, a LiPo. You just plug this in right here like this, and look at that, instant power. I don't want to go into details about the charger itself because there's plenty of videos out there, plenty of information regarding the IDST Q6 charger. But what I do want to talk about is the case itself. And like I was telling you before, you have the option to basically charge, DC and AC, and you can do it in such a small, compact. It's just amazing to me. I can't get over the fact that you can charge 6S, 14 amps, and you can do it in such a small configuration. Well, here, let me show you what we got. We got the AC plug here. We got some exhaust ports on the side. We have, it looks like a 60mm exhaust fan on the top. And then you have some mooch plugs where you can run another charger on the side, and a New Balance plug and an XT60 connector. Well, there it is, guys. Check them out. Progressive RCs. They got a really nice product here. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.